Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clean up lists on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you will find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to clean up lists on Klaviyo. So of course, if you want to clean your list and maintain strong deliverability by identifying and suppressing unengaged profiles, of course, cleaning unengaged or inactive profiles from your list improves a number of aspects about the quality of your list. It could be crucial to maintain good deliverability. The process for cleaning your list, of course, just involves two simple steps. Simply, you can just go and create. Let's just go to this list and segment. You can create a segment of an engaged profile. Of course, you can click at create list or segment, choose segment, and choose a tag or add a tag for just an engaged profile. And the second step, of course, for me, I'll just cancel. I'm not going to do that because it's simple. And of course, the second step is suppressing or deleting this engaged profile. So of course, you can go, let's say as an example, this engaged. And once you find this, you can just simply click on the person and simply delete their profile. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.